Here we are inside a Google Classroom, and this is an activity that I added for my students to complete earlier today. From here you can see the title of the document, you can see that 2 students have completed the work and that 8 are yet to start it. You can also see that each student will get a copy. I'm going to click on the students that have done the work because I want to see their work and mark it. And from here, you can see the 2 students that have submitted their work. And if I click on this document, it will open it in Sheets so that I can look at the work and mark it. Once I'm inside Google Sheets, I can take a look at the work the student has submitted. I'll click on the tab. And this task was for the student to make a chart from the table of information on the left, and I can see that's been done. So now I want to give the student some feedback. I can click on Comments and comment and add my feedback. And click Comment. And that's been left there for the student. This would rely on the student going back to look at the work to see if I've commented on it. If, however, I edit it and I add a plus sign and start to type the person's name and select their name from the list, I can click Save, and this one will allow me to share and comment, and the student will also get a notification by email to say that I've actually marked the work. So I'm back now in my Google Classroom. I've left the comment for the student to see. Now it's really important that I return the work to the student. And I do this by selecting the student whose work I've marked. I can give them a grade if I choose. And I click on the Return button. If I want to give a private comment again, I can give another comment and return. And what you should see now is that that piece of work has been returned to the student. And the difference between the 2 documents, the returned and the done, is the ownership of the document. When a student submits a piece of work in this way and it says done, the teacher is the owner of the document. That allows you to add information and feedback and comments to that document for the student. But if you don't return the work with this button and you leave it in the done state rather than returned, the student can't see any comments. By clicking the Return button, you've returned the ownership to the student.